Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix nearby people not showing on Telegram. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if nearby people are not showing in Telegram, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the settings first, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down, then tap on general, and if you're using iPhone, tap on software update and just simply have to update your device. And after that guys, go to App Store. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to search for Telegram. So let me search for a Telegram guys. Now from here guys, just simply have to open the Telegram, and you can find your open option. If it's showing here open, just simply have to open it, and after that guys, restart your device, or you can also offload the app or clear the cache or data of the Telegram app. Okay guys, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So let me tell you that just simply have to go back, open the settings, tap on iPhone storage, and from here offload the app and then reinstall it, and then clear the cache in Android phone. And if it's not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open any browser in your phone. Like I'm opening Safari here, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to search for Telegram. Tone detector. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on that, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that if Telegram source is not down, if Telegram source is down, maybe that's why it's not working for you. Just simply have to wait for some hours, and after that guys, your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.